Harris Water was started in 1918 by my great-grandfather, Abraham Harris.
The values that inspire me here are that this is a family-run business. So it's a small business that operates at a high volume, and having the opportunity to work hand in hand at the early stages when I first came here with the owners of the company was exciting and provided a great opportunity.
We are a landmark in East New York. Everybody knows the name of Harris.
Well, every case is pretty much different. We're always encountering nervous people that are anxious, but it does feel good to show up, show them a face that they know they can rely on. They know that we're here to help.
Dealing with customers in New York City is basically pretty fun for me, because I know I'm there to do a service for them, which makes them happy.
So the name and the quality of work that we put out aligns in everything that we do.
Just bought my house, realized there was a problem with the sewer. After getting a camera inspection, realized there was a break in the line. I contacted Harris. They came out really quickly and they handled the situation very professionally. They were kind, they were understanding, and they definitely worked with me. Years later, when I had the opportunity to work for a company, I always remember the way that Harris treated me and my family.
I would say the Harris values that inspire me the most is the fact that it's a family-owned business and integrity is a top priority.
For a boss or individual that get in the trenches with you and get their boots wet, that's what inspires you, because you know what it's about.
One family, 4 generations, and one love means to me longevity, growth, and consistency.
I realize that Harris is more of a family to me, and I want to see Harris grow, and I want to grow with Harris.
We're just bigger and better. 10 years ago, we had less trucks, less people, less volume. Today we have more of that.
For the past 16 years, I see Harris triple in size and still growing.
After speaking to my colleagues, my friends who have their own business, said you happen to be very lucky to keep this business going for 4 generations. And I feel that way positively.
4 generations is all about the legacy, starting with my great-grandfather, and God willing, being able to pass it down to my son or my daughter one day.
From my point of view, I see Harris expanding very rapidly, and I can't wait to contribute to that growth.
Looking down the road for the future of Harris is growth, and to continue on doing exactly what we're doing. And the big goal is the next slogan: one love, 5 generations, one family.